Good AM. Today is Tuesday, January 16, 2024. And here are the 10:30 AM STL Visayas result today. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 AM result for Lapu-Lapu City under Lucky 7 Games in Amusement Corporation for January 16, 2024, Tuesday. Here are the SL Store 3 10:30 AM result for Mandawi City under Piana Trading and Supply Corporation for Tuesday, January 16, 2024. Thank you for watching this 10:30 AM video for morning of January 16, 2024, Tuesday. Don't forget to subscribe and hit notification bell for more lotto result update.